Welcome to my channel, and this time I'm back on the Jag with a job I've been wanting to do for ages. It's another part of the dechroming, and this time it's going to be the window surrounds. Now I'm going to save this piece here because I've got a few more jobs I need to do inside the door, and I'm just going to concentrate on this piece and this piece here on both sides. So let's dig out some wrap, let's get going. Now, as always, the first job is to give these a very good clean to get rid of any grime, anything that's in there, and try and get up to the edges as well, because you need to tuck the wrap around the edges, and then to use some thinners or isopropyl alcohol to remove any sort of grease that's right on the top there. So now I'm going to mask off just below this bit here, because there's nothing between the paintwork and this, it's actually underneath it. Get around here, that's fine, and around this top bit there is a rubber seal in between, so I don't need to really mask that off, but I don't want to risk scratching the bodywork. So don't forget, you can need a whole raft of tools, and you can get these usually in a kit, a wrapping kit, so a couple of sort of strange tucking tools. This one is really good. A card's good for when you want to get it in between there, and obviously you'll need the knife and the normal sort of tucking tool. So firstly, let's get the piece in sort of place. Now normally we would use these sort of things, but with this card being aluminium, these don't work. So we're just going to use a bit of the tape just to hold this in the place that it needs to be. Well, we can make life easier for ourselves by just cutting out the part that we don't need. So I'm going to use this cutter here. So I can see from this point here, I'm not going to need up to here. Just makes it a bit easier to work with the wrap. Right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to peel it off, and then we'll just lay it in position just to start with. Okay, now we've got this roughly where I want to be. Now we can just start doing all the detail and getting it tucked in. This is a long and laborious part. Here we go. So that's this bit done now, which looks absolutely amazing. Well impressed with that, so that's gone out nicely. So now we're going to move on and do this piece here, which is quite a long run, but the trick is to get one straight piece of the black vinyl and then just heat it up and just bend it round. You don't have to have like a great big square. You don't have to have like a great big square like that you're going to cut out loads and just throw it away. So one thin piece should do it. And that's that bit done now as well. So yeah, it's quite long-winded, very hard to get anything on this top bit here. It's you can get it under the rubber there, which is really good, so that's gone really well. Now it's over to the other side, I'll get that done, and then that's this job completed. So that's it guys, that's the other side now done, and yeah, well pleased with how that's gone. So now while I'm in the mood, I'm going to move on and I'm going to do these babies as well. So that's it, I've been wanting to do that job since the day I got this car. Check this out. So that's it, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up for this video. Till the next time, stay safe.